everybody, it's Molly
and Benjamin
for Wee TV, the Scots channel for bairns and weans everywhere.
Right, what are we going to do now?
Do you want to hear a story?
Oh aye, please, give us a story, I want a story.
Are you sitting comfortably?
Aye, I'm comfy. Wait a minute, hold on. Aye, comfy now. Wait, hold the bus. Aye, definitely, totally, completely comfy.
Once upon a time, there was 3 wee pigs.
Hold on, how many?
3
3 what?
pigs. Wee pigs. The first wee pig built a house out of straw.
Building a house out of straw.
And when he finished, he sat down to have a rest. But just then, the old grey wolf came by.
An old grey what?
An old grey wolf.
A wolf? Hoo!
The old grey wolf walked up to the piggy's house and chapped on the door. He chapped on the door.
Oh, aye. Oh, wee pig, want to come out and play? No chance, I'm not coming out to play with you. Well, I'm gonna huff, and I'm gonna puff, and I'm gonna blow your house down.
So he huffed, and he puffed, and he blew the house down, and chased the wee piggy all the way over the hills and far away and all. And that was that. But there was a second wee piggy, and he built a house out of sticks.
Sticks, is it? Oh, building a house out of sticks.
When he finished, he sat down to have a rest. But just then, the old grey wolf came by.
The wolf again? Oh, well.
The wolf came up to the piggy's house and chapped on the door. At him, he chapped on the door.
Oh, aye. Oh, wee pig, want to come out and play? No chance, I'm not coming out to play with you. Well, I'm gonna huff, and I'm gonna puff, and I'm gonna blow your house down.
So he huffed, and he puffed, and he blew the house down, and chased the wee piggy all the way over the hills and far away and all. But there was a third wee piggy, and he built a house out of stone.
Stone? Oh no, this is going to be hard work. Building a house out of stone. Stone. Oh, heavy stone. Oh.
When he finished, he sat down to have a rest. But just then, the old grey wolf came walking by and chapped on the piggy's door.
Oh, I think I'm going to eat this wee piggy. Wee pig, want to come out and play with me? Aye, that'll be right. I'm not coming out to play with you, you big dumpling. Away you go. A big dumpling? Who's he calling a big dumpling? Right, I'm going to sort this wee piggy out. Nobody calls me a big dumpling and gets away with it.
The old wolf jumped on top of the house and started to climb down the chimney. But what he didn't ken was that the wee pig had lit a fire and put a big pot of boiling hot water at the bottom of the chimney. Well, The wolf's bum came down that lum, and as soon as his bahookie touched the water, he took off, away off the house, and far away, and never to be seen again. The other two wee piggies came and chapped on the door, and came inside, and they all lived happily ever after in their braw, stone house.
Oh, a happy ending.
Aye, a happy ending's always best. Thanks for listening, everybody. We hope you enjoyed. We'll see you next time on WeTV for more Scots fun. Cheerio the now.
Cheerio!